Hello and welcome back to All the Gear Some Idea. Today we're going to be taking the spring out. Rear shock, rear spring, one unit. Supposedly it ain't that hard. 2 bolts, 2 nuts, and it should come out on the centre stand, which it is. So we're going to give it a go because we notice when you sit on it, it goes a little low and comes up. Now I want to clean it off because there's a dampening just on the bottom of it. So I want to see if I can get that so it's free. And obviously check all the bushes and stuff at the bottom and the top of that. So I've already looked at the bolt sizes. The left hand side is a 17. The right hand side is a 19. So what I need to do now is get 2 ratchets on there and just power away at it. So yeah, let's crack on. So through there's a hole either side, and that is what you use to put your socket in that through. So like I say, I've already figured out what size it is, so we just need to crack these off. Probably shouldn't have put the trim back on after the last job. Grab my torch. I misplaced the torch. I had it here earlier. I remember dropping it, but it fell over. That's about as far as it went. I would normally use the electric ratchet to do the rest of this. However, it's a bit late. Big old nut in there. And then what we'll do is we'll see if we can push it through this way using a big screwdriver. Alright, it's already out that side, so hopefully it's coming. That was it. It's fairly loose. So now, that was going to be as easy on the bottom, mind. We bring you down. down here, you're going to have, hopefully, roughly the same setup. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. So that's a 19 and a Jesus. Right bolt. No. Oh, it's bigger. It's bloody bigger. Right, is it a 19 on this side as well then? Let's try 19. Hey. 18. Why did they change it? So that's that off. That's that slid out. Okay, so there's a bit that I missed. You've also got to remove the links from the bit at the bottom here as well. Now, nothing has gone stupid yet, so that's now off. So is that. As you just saw, the shock has now come out. Oh, you know, not actually. It's out, it fell out. So that was correct. And then down here you've got some dampening stuff, so we're going to go clean it up now. Okay, so it's out. That's the dirt in question I want to get rid of. So I've taken it away, cleaned it a bit. You can now see the original Kawasaki sticker in here. Also, move this light. This is what you've got on the bottom of it. Now before you couldn't see a thick, excuse me. So you've got a little nub here. It's a little, looks like 10mm screw. It's actually got a little ball bearing inside it. So it locks in place. So that's 1, 2, locks in there as well. So you can adjust the dampening. It's pretty smart. But what I need to do is crack these off. The mission. We're going to give it a go. Okay, so I've just managed to free that off. Wasn't easy, but now we can clean the threads up. Okay, so as always, we always have technical problems. Camera died. So, what I've done in the meantime, as you can see, I've cleaned the shock up. This is the locking collar for the top. That now screws all the way up and all the way down without any hassle. The actual dampening part of it also moves and locks into its positions as it should. So I'm just going to rebuild this now. It's quite self-explanatory. Spring goes on, cup goes on top. wind it where you want it, and then put this on. So as you can see, just putting it where it was before. Apart from the bottom, looks really good condition now. I have checked it, it wasn't leaking or anything. The dampener's got good dampening on it, and the spring looks in good condition too. Okay, so she's in. It looks pretty clean. So now we just need to set the dampening up. So thank you very much for watching. If it was any help, please do comment, like, subscribe. As I would probably watch that video myself to see how you do that. Obviously refitting it, reverse, same 3 bolts. You've got the link joint, bottom of the spring, top of the spring. Once the tie links are out, it falls out anyway. So if I need to replace it, all the bolts are fresh to do that with. And if you want to take it out and clean it like I did, just to check it, clean the threads up, by all means, it doesn't take very long. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, all that jazz. Thank you very much.